here we are. This is my first big thunderstorm since being back in Canada. There was just a very, very large bang. Oh, that one's probably going to be big too. A serious line of thunderstorms is rolling through southern Ontario. We are on the 6th floor here, getting a good view of the sky. Cars out in here. Everybody's still going about their business. There has been some tornado warnings or watches in effect for our area. So this is the start of the storm. Lightning intensifying. You can't really see much with the window in the way. But you can definitely see the lightning and hear the claps of thunder. Lights haven't gone out yet. It's just the beginning of the storm. Be back with more very soon.